Irresistible Rhubarb Crumb Coffee Cake Recipe, easy and delicious. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat that combines the tangy goodness of rhubarb with the comforting flavors of a crumbly coffee cake. I'm excited to share with you this irresistible rhubarb crumb coffee cake recipe that will surely become a favorite in your kitchen. So, without further ado, let's dive into the recipe. Ingredients. For the rhubarb filling: 2 cups fresh rhubarb, chopped. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the crumb topping: 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Pinch of salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted. For the coffee cake batter: 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup sour cream or Greek yogurt. Instructions. Prepare the rhubarb filling. In a bowl, combine chopped rhubarb, granulated sugar, cornstarch, and vanilla extract. Toss until the rhubarb is evenly coated. Set aside to let the flavors meld while you work on the other components. Make the crumb topping. In a separate bowl, mix together the flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Pour in the melted butter and use a fork to combine the mixture until crumbly. Set the crumb topping aside. Prepare the coffee cake batter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 9 inch baking pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a larger mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture, alternating with the sour cream, or Greek yogurt, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Assemble and bake. Spread half of the coffee cake batter into the prepared baking pan. Layer the rhubarb filling evenly over the batter. Carefully spread the remaining coffee cake batter over the rhubarb layer. Sprinkle the crumb topping evenly over the top. Bake to perfection. Place the baking pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 45–55 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the coffee cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve and enjoy. Once completely cooled, slice the rhubarb crumb coffee cake into squares and serve it with your favorite hot beverage. The combination of the tangy rhubarb, moist cake, and crunchy crumb topping will surely delight your taste buds. And there you have it, a delightful rhubarb crumb coffee cake that's perfect for brunch, dessert, or just a cozy treat any time of day. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Thanks for tuning in, and happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.